course, this is the GT3 car. That's why we have 1/3 of the weight in the front, 2/3 of the weight in the back. And what happens when I start accelerating, right? The weight goes to the back, of course. You see there's much less grip at the front. Is the car able to steer now? Is it gonna steer quite good? Not really, right? Not really. Opposite situation, I start to brake or lifting the foot off the front, right? What happens? The load goes to the front. Is the car able to steer now? Yes, much better, because I have a better grip in front. And what happens with the tail? It's lighter, so a risk of slide, right? And what happens when we are steering? We move the balance from side to side, from right to left or opposite, right? And let's have a look in details. So when we are driving, I steer into the corner, and look what's happened. Look what happens with the weight. It goes on the side, yeah? So outer side of the car is giving me the grip. Inside, I have much less grip. And now the question to you, if I go close to the apex and I go on the curb, so this white and red stripes, I go into the curb, does it change a lot? No. Not really, right? Because I already have not much grip. But if I open the steering wheel and I go to the outside and I touch the curb on the outside, right now in these conditions, when it's wet, it's painted, wet surface. If I touch it with outside wheels, does it change something? A lot, a lot, really. So it's gonna be like a lighthouse, like this. So beware of touching the curbs, especially going out of the corner, especially in this condition.